Hey YouTube, so this is another minoxidil video. Once again, it's an update. It's a follow-up video on the previous video I made on the skin dulling effect that I thought minoxidil was causing. So in my previous video that was titled minoxidil uneven skin tone, I believe, in that video I went over a couple of things. Let me just address those things real quick. So one thing I went over was things I used. I used a derma roller and I used aloe vera gel that I was using to even out my skin. But in reality, that was a DHT blocker. So if you don't know, DHT blockers are blockers that prohibit hair growth in your skin, and that's what we're not trying to do. We're trying to grow hair on our face. So don't use aloe vera gel if you're using it, that is. And in my description, I'll link a site that shows you all the DHT blockers if you're on the minoxidil journey that you should avoid. It's a very informative website. Anyway, back to the matter at hand. This is a follow-up video on the skin darkening video I made earlier or a while back. Well, in reality, it's not the minoxidil that's causing darkness in your skin if you're experiencing it. It's a derma roller. So let me elaborate. So in that video, on my comment section, a lot of people commented expressing their concerns, and then there's this one comment from this guy. We talked back to back, and we're texting now on the issue, and he has similar skin tone as me, and he was experiencing the same thing, and he agreed that he was going to see a dermatologist. He saw a dermatologist, and she advised him. He saw a dermatologist that specialized in his skin tone, brown skin tone, and that variation. So she advised him to stop using the derma roller. I won't say dermatologist. Stop using the derma roller, because the derma roller is in fact what's causing the hyperpigmentation. So she explained that in darker skin tone, when you get cuts and stuff like that, your skin becomes dark first as it heals, as the new skin comes. So when we derma roll our faces, we do this twice a week, every week. So we cause the needles go in our skin and cuts our skin. Obviously, that's what a derma roller does to produce more collagen. As we use it on our skin, especially if you use it really hard, our skin is damaged, obviously, so it heals. But when we heal, our skin gets darker first. So we do this twice a week, every week. So we do this on a regular basis that the skin doesn't have time to fully go back to its normal state. So it gets dark, and that's what was happening to me and him and other people. I also saw people that was experiencing the same thing on the beard spot on Facebook. So she advised him to stop using the derma roller and to use a vitamin A serum or a vitamin B serum, because those are good for collagen in some not consumption orally, but through your skin. And also it helps to produce healthy looking skin. So that's what I did. I replaced my derma roller with a vitamin C serum, and he stopped derma rolling. So his skin started to clear up immediately. And my skin started to clear up immediately too. I mean, it's still dark in some areas, but it is clearing up. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the before and after of how I looked before I stopped derma rolling. So yeah, derma rolling was the cause of the uneven skin tone. If anyone out there that's experiencing the same thing and you're derma rolling, stop derma rolling. And I know derma rolling is very essential in the minoxidil beard journey, because it helps you in producing more collagen and producing more hair growth. But in our case, we need to stop because it's causing this uneven skin tone. And I'm replacing my derma roller with a vitamin B serum or a vitamin A serum, because it has collagen, and I need collagen on my skin, because minoxidil strips away collagen from your skin, and you need collagen to produce more skin, and it helps to produce better looking skin. So I'll be doing that. So as I said, in the description below, I'm going to show you or drop a link of the DHT blockers, and also a link on the video describing hyperpigmentation and how derma roller was causing this in our skin types. So I know you might saying maybe there's other people out there that are using derma roller and they're not experiencing hyperpigmentation. Well, I guess everyone is different, everyone heals different. But if you're suffering from what me and my friend is suffering from, and you're derma rolling, I advise stop derma rolling and replacing it with a vitamin B serum or vitamin A serum. So if you have any more questions or comments, you can put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to hit you guys up and see what's going on. But thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'll be posting my week 15 update. My minoxidil journey is pretty disappointing to be honest, because I'll elaborate more on that video, but you'll see what I mean. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.